Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can check the file history of files you have uploaded to your cloud on iDrive. So let us get started right away. So head over to iDrive and access your cloud drive or your backup. Let me go to cloud drive, and here we'll see a list of all folders including files inside these folders we have stored in your cloud. So what you want to do, guys, is simply head over to the given folder. Let me go with this one here. Let me just close that tab. And here, guys, you will see a list of all files, like for example PDFs, documents, TXT, videos, images in JPEG, PNG, and so on and so forth, stored in the given folder in your cloud. So guys, you will see, for instance, the modification date here, the file size, etc., etc. So if you'd like to access the history, what you need to do is expand that menu here on the right hand side for the given file, and after that click into version. And after that, you will see, for example, the previous versions of the given file. For instance, if you have set up, for instance, an automatic backup for your files that may be transferred, for instance, from your device to your cloud automatically by iDrive, these files may be, for instance, uploaded and backed up with the most recently changed version. For example, if you have added changes to that file on your device and that has been uploaded to your cloud, you will see the previous versions of it, like for example here, the modification date there and here. So you can make the given version the current one by clicking into this button, and yeah, that's basically it. That's how you check the version and the file history of your files on iDrive. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.